In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Discord for voice and text chat. If you're new to Discord or just need a bit of a refresher, you're in the right place. So, let's dive in and explore how you can seamlessly communicate with friends, colleagues, or fellow gamers using Discord. We'll kick things off by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Discord website. The URL you need to type in is discord.com. Once there, you should see a welcoming interface prompting you to either create a new account or log in if you already have one. Since we're focusing on how to get started with voice and text chat, let's assume you're logging in. Click on the Login button, usually situated at the top right corner of the homepage. For those who might have forgotten their password, there's an option to reset it, ensuring you're never locked out of your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on Discord's homepage. This main hub is where you can keep track of all your messages, servers, and friends. From here, you can either join a server you're already part of, or look for more communities to become a part of. If you're already a part of a server, you'll see its icon on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on it to enter. Servers are marvelous places filled with various channels, each designed for different discussions or activities. Let's focus first on text channels. These serve as digital chat rooms where you can send messages, share files, and interact with others through text. To enter a text channel, simply click on its name under the Text Channels section on the left side of the server screen. This action will open up the chat interface where you can start typing your messages immediately. If the server host has permitted, you might also see options for adding reactions, stickers, or even at mentioning someone to catch their attention swiftly. When you're ready to verbally chat with others, let's move forward towards using voice channels. Voice channels appear right below the text channels in the server. To join a voice channel, all you have to do is click on its name, and you'll be instantly connected. In a voice channel, you can communicate in real time with others using a microphone, or you can listen in if you're just there to catch up on what's happening. Feel free to adjust your voice settings and ensure your audio devices are correctly linked in Discord's settings menu. And that's a wrap. With these foundational steps, you're set to effectively use Discord's voice and text chat features. Hopefully, this guide helps you get more comfortable with Discord. Happy chatting, and see you in the next video.